and I'm the C Division team captain. In JWSS hockey, there are also other activities that we do other than training in our competition. We also have a chance to participate in sharing our knowledge of the sport with primary school students. We also look forward to the annual hockey camp that allows us to interact and bond together with our teammates. On some years, we also have the opportunity to travel to other countries to train with our counterparts in neighboring countries.